Today we are talking about the research and application of fruit berry, and this one is my first topic, purpose. There are four purposes for me to do the fruit berry research. The first one is to explore a variety of different fruit berry production situations. The second one is to explore the cell-made battery production efficiency. The third one is to make a model of food battery. The fourth one is to consume which kind of the food is good for the food battery to produce more electricity. This one is my second one's topic, hypothesis. Hypothesis. If the chemical energy in the process of the converting into electricity needs to consume energy. Second, the amount of electricity produced by different kind of food. Which one is the best for producing the electricity? I think that is the lemon one. Food battery can light a small light bulb for 5 to 10 minutes. This one is my third topic, is the background of the research application of food berry. Population continue to increase. Increasing use of the limited natural resource and human increasingly consumes energy to meet the needs of society. And in the process produce a lot for waste or otherwise harm the environment. So I advocate the use of the renewable energy, which is why I do this research. With the use of the fruit battery research, we can discover some of the facts on the production of renewable energy and then use the nature to help from a more completely renewable safe energy for our use. Energy is a source for social development, and energy is being used all over the world. Primary energy can be further divided into renewable energy and non-renewable energy source. Renewable energy source including hydropower, wind power, ocean temperature energy, and so on. They can be recycled in nature. Non-renewable energy sources are those that can only be explored in large quantities after some hundred of million years. These are sources as oil, natural gas, nuclear energy, and so on. This one is the fourth topic, is the abstract of research and application of fruit berry. Now we are talking about what material we need to make the apple battery. First, we need to have an apple, a copper wire, a zinc wire, a cleaner for the wire, and one is the copper piece and the other is the zinc piece, and a line and a scissor for to cut the copper wire and zinc wire. First, we need to use the scissor to cut the copper wire. The second one is use the cleaners to clean the copper. And then cut the zinc wire and clean that. Now we can see the red line there. It's very weak because we only use one apple. Now we need to connect two apples to try how much electronics it can produce. Now we can see the light is red, but I think we use 3 apples so that we can see the light clearly. This one is the data and table graphing of the research of application of fruit berry. When we use the one apple to produce the electrons, the volt is 0.96, 2 apple is 1.92, and 3 apple is 2.88. Now we use the tomato. When we use the 1 tomatoes to produce the electricity, the volt is 0.98, and 2 tomato is 1.96, and 3 tomato is 2.94. Now we can use the other food. We can use the lemon. When we use the 1 lemon to produce the electricity, the voltage we can see is 0.99, and 2 lemon is 1.98, 3 lemon is 2.97. The last fruit we use is the orange. We can see when we use 1 orange, the volt is 0.85, 2 orange is 1.7, and 3 orange is 2.55. This one is the result and discussion about the research application of blueberry. This one is conclusion, error discussion. In the course of the experiment, I did something incorrectly as follows. When I connect the terminal, I did not first determine the small like positive and negative sides. This requires me to reassemble everything after I have completed the entire device. When I determine which one is a positive and negative, I did not mark any sides to help remember. So when I take the plaster, I forget which one is positive, so I begin to reconfirm. This is my presentation for researching the fluid battery. See you next time. Bye.